Hello friends, welcome to the platform of Darshanik IAS. This is Akshay Kadam. So guys, today on this platform of Darshanik IAS, I am going to discuss with you one concept of important concept that you can use in your ethics paper answer writing, as well as you can use this concept even in many of your essay topics. So this concept is from Bhagavad Gita ethics or from Bhagavad Gita ideas. So UPSC has consistently asked question on Vedantic philosophers or Vedantic ideas. And Bhagavad Gita is one of the core book of this Vedanta. And in Bhagavad Gita, okay, there are many ideas, very important ideas regarding Sakarm, Akarm, Nishkarm. Many such ideas are there. And we will be discussing in this one such a important idea about Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so you must have heard about Sakarm, Nishkarm, Anasakta Karm, then setting standard for society, Sita Pradnya, Santuli Jivan, environmental ethics. Large number of ideas are there, and while discussing these ideas of normative ethics, okay, in Bhagavad Gita there is one metaphysical concept also, meta ethics also, one higher level message. So I have already discussed two concepts which I consider one of the best concepts in philosophy, okay, across the world, and that is in Buddhism. There is one metaphysical concept of Prachitya Samutpad, interdependent co-origination. Same way in Jainism, there is a very awesome concept of Anekantvad, a metaphysical concept that comes under concept of Samyak Darshan in Ratnatraya theory. So this Anekantvad, multiple realities or infinite realities concept is very important or very awesome concept. And like that, the third most important concept that I like from Bhagavad Gita, and one of the very awesome concept that we will discuss today, okay. So metaphysics on Gita about seeking eternal truth. Okay. So guys, basically what is Bhagavad Gita? When we study, we all study Bhagavad Gita. We study about Nishkam Karma, Anasakta Karma, all other ideas. Okay. But if you look at Bhagavad Gita, what Bhagavad Gita was? So Arjun went into battlefield, and when he saw his relatives, his uncles, all his family members, and he has to kill them, all these people, he got confused. He got his emotions took over his rationality, और उसने जो कहा कि नयोत्सो गोविंदम, I can't fight this battle. He dropped the weapon and he sat down. And when he was confused, what is the right thing to do? What is his karmas? What is his kartavya duties? Okay, what is ethical, unethical? Is it ethical to kill so many people to take revenge for what happened to his wife or so on? He has a lot of questions. He was confused. Okay, and so Krishna guided him. कृष्णा टोल्ड हिम कि चंचल मन को मनमानी ना करने दो पार्थ, उसे रोको और अपने आत्मा का अधीन बनाओ. सो फर्स्ट यू कंट्रोल इमोशंस. ओके, वही भावनिक बुद्धिमत्ता का कंसेप्ट, ओके, इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, व्हाट कृष्णा वाज टेलिंग अर्जुना इट्स सिग्निफिकेंस. एंड व्हेन अर्जुन वाज काम, नाउ कंपोज्ड, ओके, ही वेंट ऑन आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस टू लॉर्ड कृष्णा. एंड व्हेन लॉर्ड कृष्णा आंसर्ड हिम his questions, he had more doubts and he kept on asking more and more questions. So he asked how I can control my mind. Then Krishna said, you need to be Sita Pradnya. Then Arjuna asked how I can be Sita Pradnya. Then Krishna gave theory of Santuli Jivan. Then Arjuna asked what is Santuli Jivan. Then Krishna explained him the Gunas theory. Okay, he asked, explain the Guna, Rajas, Sattvic, Tamas and its balance and everything. And he kept on questioning and Krishna kept on answering. Now, when half of the Bhagavad Gita has been explained, Karma Yoga has been explained. So, in between, Arjun said that I think what you are saying, okay, is correct, and then I will fight. Okay, if that is my duty, if this is my karma, then I will stand and fight this battle. But to which Lord Krishna replied, ki you shouldn't be fighting this battle because I tell you that it's your duty. If you want to fight this battle, fight on your own because it is your own battle and you realize how important it is that you should fight this battle. तो कृष्णा का जो स्टेटमेंट था कि तुम ये चाहते हो कि निर्णय मैं लूं और तुम इस युद्ध के उत्तरदायित्व से बच जाओ, तो ये कदापि नहीं होगा, क्योंकि युद्ध भी तुम्हारा है और इस युद्ध का परिणाम भी तुम्हारा होगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू नीड टू डिसाइड फॉर योरसेल्फ. ओके, यू shouldn't fighting this battle because I am telling you. You should be fighting the battle because you believe it is right thing to do. I can only show you the path. I can only answer your question. I will show you what is right thing to do. And then Krishna ने आगे कहा कि अभी तक मैं तुम्हें कर्म की दृष्टि से समझा रहा था, अब मैं तुम्हें ज्ञान की दृष्टि से समझाता हूं. And then Bhagwan Krishna goes on explaining him the idea from the Dnyan Yoga, from Dnyan perspective. And then he then explains why it is necessary as for Arjun to fight this battle. If he fights because he thinks it is his duty only, okay, then he might not be able to fight with Nishkamta, with Anasakti, etc. And even Arjuna has questioned that while fighting he might die. Pandavas might get defeated. And so Krishna goes on explaining that even if you die, doesn't matter, even Duryodhan wins doesn't matter, but you need to fight this battle and set the standards for the society. Okay, that क्योंकि सोसाइटी ये याद नहीं रखेगी कि दुर्योधन जीता, सोसाइटी याद रखेगी अर्जुन लड़के मरा. And you need to set the standards. So Krishna was explaining him these ideas. Then he explains him idea of Srushti Chakra and that everyone should do his duties. Doesn't matter he has to kill his relatives or family members also. Okay, but for welfare of the society, okay, one must sacrifice his own welfare. तो समाज तुमसे नहीं है पार, तुम समाज से हो, इसलिए जो समाज के हित में होगा वही तुम्हारे हित में होगा. So he gives or explains the idea of Lokasangra. So he keeps on explaining him these ideas about or answers, keeps on answering Arjuna's questions and why it is significant or important for him to do his duty, do his kartavya, and run this Srushti Chakra, etc. And so when all these ideas were explained and when Arjun realized this Jnana Yoga, understood the all arguments, okay, he decided to stand for the battle and he fought this battle, okay, with Nishkamta, with Anasakti. He did his sakarm and he fought and even won the battle. So इस सारी स्टोरी में एक मेटाफिजिकल कि भगवान कृष्ण ने उसको क्या करो ना करो बोला, ये हुआ नॉर्मेटिव इथिक्स. लेकिन उसके ऊपर जो आइडिया है, okay, that Bhagavad Gita tells you indirectly is that in India we even questioned gods. Okay, India is a land of seekers, not believers. We don't take things for granted. Okay, the highest metaphysical idea in Bhagavad Gita is to have this scientific temper, rational reflection, question everything. An entire Indian philosophy, whether questioning between Yama and Nachiket, questioning between Yudhishthir and Yama, etc. So, all this Indian philosophy is just a debates between the people, between the philosophers. The idea are debated. So, in Indian philosophy, there are no commandments. In Hindu philosophy or Sanatana Dharma, there are no commandments or guidelines that you need to follow. Okay, कि आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट दिन में इतनी बार करना है, ये सब करना है, ऐसे कपड़े पहने, all this codes of conduct, commandments, okay, ritualistic part is not there. Okay, in Indian philosophy there are debates, philosophical guidelines. Okay, the commandment don't exist, and so the highest metaphysical concept in Bhagavad Gita is you should seek your truth. Don't do something because religion tells you or because just God has been telling you. Okay, you should understand the concept, you should understand the philosophy, and you should do it because you find it correct. So be seeker of the truth, don't believe in truth. So Sanatana Dharma or Bhagavad Gita is completely rejects the blind belief system. कोई faith पे कोई चीज मत लो. Okay, faith, you shouldn't be having faith, you should be having the right reasoning and understanding. ज्ञान योग जो अल्टीमेट योग है भगवत गीता में, भक्ति से ऊपर कर्म और कर्म से भी ऊपर श्रेष्ठ व्हाट भगवत गीता says is a ज्ञान योग. So this idea is very important in Bhagavad Gita. So in Bhagavad Gita in India this comes the concept of Purusharth, in which there is Artha Dharma Kam Moksha, and then in Moksha Indian philosophy get divided in Astik and Nastik, and in Astik there are 6: Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Vaishika, Mimamsa, Vedanta. In Nastik, Buddhism, Jainism, Ajivika, Lokayat. Now in Nastik philosophy there is a Vedanta philosophy, Uttar Mimamsa. Okay, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga and Jnana Yoga. Okay, these ideas are there, and in Vedanta there are 3 pillars of Vedanta. Okay, that is Prasthantrayi. One is सारे Upanishad, Upanishadों का समूह. Second is Bhagavad Gita, and third is Badrayan, who founded Vedanta. Okay, and his book that is Brahma Sutra. So Bhagavad Gita is core book of this Vedantic philosophy, and its most important concept, metaphysical guideline, okay, is seek truth. Do not believe in truth. Don't take things for granted. Have open mind, skepticism, rationally question everything, and then only perform your duties or whatever you perform in your life. So Bhagavad Gita is theistic in origin but does not encourage any form of blind faith. कोई विश्वास रखो की बात नहीं. Okay, never it advocates कि मुझ में विश्वास रखो and you should do this or that. Okay, you should have your own reasoning. Okay, you understand why it is important. What Krishna was telling Arjun, that you should understand what your duties are. You should understand its significance. You should understand if you do your duty, what will happen. If you don't do your karma, what will happen. And when you understand all this knowledge, you will automatically realize what is right thing to do. Okay, तो ये जो है कि religion पे सवाल नहीं करो. Don't question the religion. Don't question this ideas, etc. Bhagavad Gita clearly rejects that. Okay, even Supreme Soul, Brahma, Lord Krishna himself asking you to have this scientific temper, okay, develop this questioning mindset, develop this reasoning mindset. So Bhagavad Gita's foundation is based on questioning the God. Okay, Gita rejects blind faith in anything and promotes the idea of seeking truth. It calls for investigating truth instead of taking things for granted. So investigate truth, don't take things for granted. Okay, keep on rationalizing everything, have an open mind, scientific temper. So ये बहुत classic idea है भगवद गीता की. Okay, the highest metaphysical idea in Bhagavad Gita. So tomorrow, any religious person, any God man tells you not to question the God, tell him that you are a very low ranking religious person. A supreme soul gave me the permission even to question everything, even religion and any commandments, etc. and find the ultimate truth, search the ultimate truth. So India is land of seekers, not believers, the highest metaphysical idea. So these three ideas, guys, are very, very important, and I like the most awesome ideas in Indian philosophy, especially this Bhagavad Gita's metaphysical idea of seeking truth, then Jainism's Anekantvad Vedant, and Buddhism's Pratitya Samutpad, interdependent co-origination. You can also check those ideas, and you will definitely enjoy those ideas, learning about them, and you can use them in a lot of your ethics answer as well as essay answers in your UPSC paper. So thanks for listening, guys, and stay tuned to my Darshanik IAS YouTube channel, okay, for more such interesting videos. And you can join me on UPSC Ethics 4 Telegram channel to download these notes, and also download my app Darshanik IAS by Kadam sir from Google Play App Store, and stay tuned there where I will be launching full-fledged essay and ethics courses, and that will be your one-stop solution for all your essay and ethics notes. My classes and notes I will provide will be enough to tackle all these two papers, whether you are giving state services exam or UPSC. So thanks for listening, guys.